We now have a feedback session followed by the closure. I request the organizers of the successful event to please come on stage.
All of you for showing faith in us, to attend this program, that we could pull this one off. It's not just 5 or 6 of us that did all the work. There's a big volunteer team, about 40 people. The key players are, Madhav, who is sitting next to my right. He have used every word in the dictionary except F word, but we didn't stop talking to each other. We always felt the cause is bigger than any one of us, and then we still talk to each other. That's the team spirit. Team spirit doesn't mean that you have to agree to everything, but once a decision is made, we have to move forward. And then we got Rajesh, who did a lot of lovely work.
Rajesh, can you introduce what you do, what I like, what you do?
Yeah, I'll leave them. So, Arthur suggested that we pass a resolution. I think you saw all kinds of problems that have surfaced and what the UVC is facing in the last 2 years. I know the vision document is not widely distributed. We made about.
I would like to say that it's definitely not.
And I also agree with the panel, and this was more or less initiated by 2005 or 2006 batch of
team that helped us to reach out. We got alumni to register on that website, and after that we started making plans on how to execute the mega reunion. The UVC Foundation has been working with the college since 2002, and it had already done a lot of work to support the college vis-a-vis getting faculty numbers improved, getting some restrooms established at the college, and there were some well-wishers who had contributed to UVC Foundation. So UVC Foundation teamed up with the Mega Reunion team, and that's when we found strength and the courage to go forward and execute it in this manner that we are seeing today. I might have called a lot of you. In fact, it was really heartening when I could.
We should organize regular events. So as yesterday, Bishop Satish did the presentation. He has already requested speakers to come and pitch in. And also Madhav has been very instrumental in working with the Alumni Association. Yes, there has been some difficulties. That is where Madhav's smile helps. So,
we can work upon. So what are the proposals facilities commendable. Food arrangements. We could make simple arrangements for food, needs of food for to stay on feet. Doesn't mean that it's a elaborate festival food. We make it simpler. It's not a 2 cents worth of how do you follow it up? Conference. There is a don't. You have any thoughts? What forum is going to
check boxes like, did you like the food? No, yes, no, on the scale of rating 1 to 10, whatever it is. So we're going to take that feedback very seriously, because assuming that we will still be around to make sure that the next set of events are going to run, we will have this as an input. So that's point 1 for you. Point 2, I'm not too sure if you could just stand up and have a look around the crowd today, what we have. And assuming that you were there last evening, we had absolutely no space there as well. So one thing is, I had personally about 7 alumni who came here, who called me up late night and said, they've never had this kind of food, and they really love the ambience. And they really love the entertainment programs as well. So that's on the food part. I mean, we all have our views on it, but we wanted to make sure the alumni who really came, who really sat through the programs, who watched the entertainment programs, the panel sessions, went back and had some lovely food, were really, really appreciative of this fact. So I think we will start looking at to see what improvements we need in the long run. But as you can see, this is just a beginning for all of us as well. This is the first time that all of us are personally organizing this. Point one. Point two, if you can notice that other than Madhav and Alice who are in Bangalore, Rajiv is in the US and Sridhar is in the UK. And I spend 50% of my, on a monthly basis, I spend in Scandinavia. So considering the presence of this set of people who had to give directions or who had to really make the big connections, it was a little difficult task for us logistically. And we wouldn't have been successful if not for the set of volunteers there who are wearing the maroon t-shirts, burgundy t-shirts there.
For the sponsorship. Satya and Sal, they work only in the night. I give them a work at 11 o'clock in the night, at 3:50, 4 o'clock in the morning, it would be in my inbox. And you can't contact them before 11 o'clock in the morning because they will be sleeping. And then the rest of them, they've been there every week. You have Abhinav, a current student of first year, who's been right It's been an amazing set of volunteers we had. And they are the reason we could put it off like this.
Ready, please.
And then, of course, my batchmates, I can't forget them because they were there. Murli, my batchmate, and Trivikram, they've been doing the groundwork at the event. Gopi and doing the logistics.